Update now on the legal challenge filed against the top federal prosecutor here in Southern California. Defense attorneys say acting U.S. Attorney Bill Essayli must be removed from office and several criminal cases should be dismissed.
Our investigative reporter Eric Leonard was in federal court today as a judge considered those arguments. He joins us live from our News Operations Center with developments out of court. Eric.
Hi, Michael and Colleen. Well, the federal judge here had a spirited discussion with the defense lawyers who say they want Essayli out and the government lawyer who says there's nothing to see here. At times, the judge seemed skeptical of the arguments from both sides and was clearly unsure of what to do should this judge decide that Essayli can no longer hold the top prosecutor's job. Of course, we're talking about former state assemblyman Bill Essayli, who's been working in the role of U.S. attorney since April. But the federal public defender's office told U.S. District Court Judge J. Michael Seabright that temporary role should have ended in July. And the defense lawyers say by Essayli changing job titles while still performing the same job, that the U.S. Department of Justice is just trying to dodge the proper appointment of a full-time prosecutor who would require Senate approval. The defense lawyers have asked for 3 specific criminal cases to be thrown out, in addition to Essayli being disqualified from holding office. The lawyer for the U.S. government said there's nothing wrong with the way Essayli was installed in this position, and then suggested Essayli is actually performing several jobs simultaneously. So, hypothetically, if the judge ruled Essayli was improperly appointed, he would continue doing the job just with a different title. The judge openly considered during the hearing today whether dismissing these criminal cases would cause the other 200 cases brought under Essayli's tenure to be challenged as well. And the judge seemed to suggest cases that could be more deserving of a dismissal might be ones in which Essayli played a direct role, like the recent arrest of the alleged arsonist now accused of causing the Palisades fire. Now, Essayli was not in court for this hearing today. There won't be a decision today. The judge has asked for some additional legal briefing. That's due on Thursday. But the judge indicated that he recognizes the need for a ruling here is intense, and it has to happen soon. Judges in New Jersey and Nevada have recently disqualified interim or acting U.S. attorneys installed there by the Department of Justice and the Trump administration. I'm investigative reporter Eric Leonard, NBC4 News. Back to you.